Oh my God, it's hard, always hard with you. You can't make things simple. When it's simple, you have to make it hard.
Good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. You hear the house as noisy as can be early this Sunday morning, y'all. You guys, I'm up and I'm in pain. I am in so much pain. I will lift some weights with baby before yesterday. And my body is feeling it. I can't imagine how he's feeling right now, but we're in this together. So I like to work out when he's working out to motivate him to keep going, and you know, he motivates me to keep going when I'm dying and want to stop. Anyway guys, it's early in the morning and I'm up making some breakfast for baby and I. The kids already had breakfast, so I'm making some spinach omelette real quick for us this morning. I want to pull my braids out, and I have some stuff on my agenda that I want to get done this morning. So that's what your girl is up to. Look at these two. Look at them.
Thank you.
Have you guys ever tried a vegetable called arugula? Oh my god. Ugh. I always have it in my salad when I go places, but it's not always a lot. It's either a little bit or I have it and I'm not a fan of it, so I just push it to the side. I bought some at the supermarket to try in my green juice, and it doesn't taste nice at all. I won't be putting any more of it in my green juice when this finish. Not a fan. It's an acquired taste, but knowing me, I'll handle the acquired taste. So even though I said I won't buy any more after this, I might still go ahead and buy some more. Anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the Fam Bam. We are not on vacation anymore if you joined us while we're on vacation, but stick and stay because we still do travels on the weekend. We still visit new places on the weekend when we don't work, so you'll still have adventures if those are what you really enjoy. But if you still want to see the Fam Bam, stick around. We have daily vlogs Mondays to Fridays. Don't miss them. Turn on the notification bell, that way you don't miss when we upload. The breakfast is well on its way. There goes omelette, and babe omelette is always plain because he doesn't like the sweet peppers and the onions and all these fandangles in it. Though if I do it like that, he'll have it the same. But babe like he doesn't like all these fandangles in his.
C'est pas vendre. Hi guys!
So when you're mixing the juice along,
It feels just
they look rich
nice.
though.
Yeah. Me or Tyler?
Juice.
Bon appétit.
Mama, I want some. I want some, Mama.
So if you want some, you ask me, Papa, I want some, can I have some? You don't tell me if I can buy it for 50 euros.
He didn't give me the reaction I was expecting.
No, it's because
I want you to give you
That's why I turned on
a
the...
bad reaction.
I know you were going to do that. That's why I was expecting you to do that.
Yeah, but I
It's
don't.
different. No?
Not really.
Well, that's good to know.
No, the only thing that give me a strong reaction is when the ginger is very strong and make me woo.
Okay, so right now it's
But the ginger is not too bad.
interesting. Alright, I won't say anything else then.
I want some, Mama.
Ça qui le verse, à papa ou à maman?
Mon papa, mais c'est maman qui l'a fait.
Et alors?
Maman, je l'ai demandé parce
Mais non, c'est à moi, c'est à moi. C'est comme si moi je te donne une glace et que ta soeur a veut vers toi. Ou un peu. Bon, pas tout, hein. C'est bon. Top.
Well,
Is it good?
what can I say? They all liked it. So.
Yes. What do you put at the
At the root,
yes.
it's because it didn't wash and it stayed there for a
Okay,
month.
like-
So everything built up, all the dust and
Yes,
everything.
like gel,
Right.
dry gel.
Right. Gel and
Gel
dust
since a month,
and...
since a year. You see when you see people after a year, that's exactly how you
No, after a year only I would be locking. That's how locking
You're almost
start.
lucky, yeah?
I'm not tell him come off from my shoulder now. Please, I'm not gonna tell him hop off of my fender.
Eh?
Hop off of my fender, please.
Your fender?
Yes.
What is mean fender? Wow.
So run him out of my head and I soon tell him to get out of my hair.
Oh, you appreciate my head.
I soon tell him to come out my hair. Best believe that.
I believe me, we're coming.
No, Jesus, don't start, please. Look at this one. Look at this one, she. Talk to the face. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. You have to back up. Voila. There we go. Say hi. Say how are you? Oh my God.
Jump. Jump.
You don't need to tell her to jump. She is jumping. Oh lordy. Sarah, what is she doing? I can't see. Bonjour. Back up. Say bonjour. How are you?
Bye.
You're fine. Leave it. Sing happy birthday song for them. Yay! Sing it in French. Yay! Jump! Oh, this is so cute. Au revoir. Je sais, au revoir. Honey, I need the basket beside you. Give it to me, please. Rough up me here, that take time. Ay. Hush. If they rough up my head, me go run you out.
No, you just run me out with the baskets.
Unless you want me run you deliberately, don't rough up me here. It hurts. It's tender.
Baby,
Yes.
what kind of hair you have? Which supermarket you get them? Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah.
Well done. Well, already all time my head, you know, it doesn't put my hair.
That will shake my head. It does. Look at them. It did nothing. Nothing.
Where are you? Where are you going? Looking
Cinema.
so handsome.
Cinema for my first time, and the first time you're hearing about cinema.
No, it's not the first time they're hearing about cinema. You're too funny.
But the first time I'm going to see.
Yes, it's the first time you're going to the movies.
But is it the first time of Papa too?
Oh no. Oh no. Papa have gone many. Mama have gone many times. It's fun to go to the movies. Some people go to the movies every weekend. Yes.
And he said to me,
You know, when Mama go to the cinema in Jamaica, there is 3 things that Mama have to buy.
so
The next time we go to Jamaica, Mama gonna take you to the Jamaica cinema. Mama have to buy a hot dog with cheese. Mama have to buy popcorn. And Mama have to buy ginger lemon drink. It tastes so good. Y'all, no, I'm crazy. Look at my oily face. I am here pulling out my hair. I'm almost finished. The boys are heading to the cinema while the girls stay home. Sarah is taking a nap. Sarah is not ready for the cinemas yet, so it's a good time for Tyler and Papa to have some boy time alone. Just him and Papa without Mama and Sarah. Boys stay out. And he's pretty excited because he's going to the movies for the very first time. We've been wanting to take him, so he's gonna experience that right now. And see you later.
see you later, and make sure and catch up and keep up and
Cough. Let that sound out your voice go away. Speak now.
Mama.
You see? God, you're too
Yes,
funny.
it's gone.
Alright, you're gonna have fun at the cinema, okay?
Yes.
Alright. You tell me all about it with Faze when you come back.
Yes, Mama.
Ta-da! It's only me. You do this. You guys, I finished pull out my hair, washed it, get it done, and ready for a new week. I don't even know how the parts look. I have no idea. I just blindly go backwards. But however it is, it will stay that way. Anyway, I'm here making some dinner. I think I might go to the pool. I don't know as yet, but let's see. I feel for ackee and sawfish. Ackee and sawfish is just on my mind, so I'm gonna make ackee and sawfish. My girl is awake. Sarah, look. Say hello. Say hi. Hello. Hello. No jumping. No, Sarah. Don't jump. Anyway, you guys, the boys should be on their way home from the cinema right now, so let me get these things done out my way. But yeah, here is done. Sunday mission accomplished. Oh, if you guys wondering, it's braid that I braided go back ways for the first time. I know it's the first I tried adding braid from the beginning of my hair, and I like how it turned out. So all I did was braid my natural hair from here to about here, and then I try and add the braids as I go along, and it turned out pretty good. So I'm happy with that. I need to do this more often to my hair, braid my hair with braid in it to make it more full and look like this. Anyway, enough of my hair. And full effect, Arkansas fish. That's what I feel for today. And festival. Thank God for my little stash from the Jamaica events. I can enjoy a nice Arkansas fish. It's the first time I'm trying this brand. This brand is called D's. If you guys know this brand, Aki, let me show it to you. If you guys know this brand Aki, this is the one that I'm going to try for the first time, called D's Caribbean Aki. I'll tell you guys how it tastes in comparison to the tropical some that I normally use. So let's see, hope it don't disappoint.
Sorry, tropical sun.
Look, we're in you guys' favorite setting. We're back. We're back. But Jesus Christ. You guys saw? He didn't leave. He didn't leave. He never gone nowhere.
Why you want me to leave? Give me a second.
Now he left.
Yes. And now I'm back. So now you have to show your entire body.
They not see nothing, honey.
I have to show this.
What they see? He's so territorial. He likes
I'm protecting you.
You're protecting me, or you're protecting what's yours?
What's the difference?
There's a big difference.
No.
Me is me. What's yours is this.
And you are not me. You're not me.
No.
You're mine.
Exactly. You're protecting what's yours. You're not. You're not protecting me. You're
I don't
protecting
care
what's
about
yours.
you.
Obviously. He never changes, you guys see? He went on a month vacation. I thought I would drop his little habits and attitude along each country that we went, but that didn't happen. Look at my hair. Don't tie up my hair. No. Look what him do. Y'all come get this man now, please.
She said I did. What did I do? I didn't touch this part. A problem?
You have a problem.
Anyway, guys, good afternoon, good evening. It's the end of the day. You had a good day?
Yes, I talked to my family except my brother. Called my brother and I can't get him.
She spent 5 hours with her hair. I had a good day.
True.
I spent 5 hours with my hair. I had a good day. What a boring day. 5 hours.
I had to get my hair done and I'm pretty satisfied. I tried something new today, braiding my hair with braid for the first time, and it came out good. I'm satisfied.
Oh, when you do that,
This
you call
is
it
not my
braid?
real hair.
Oh, really?
I know that he didn't realize. You know how I knew that he didn't realize? He came in and no, he don't say anything about my hair. And if it was different, typical, they would say, I like your hair. You look different. And he didn't say a word. So I know you realize that.
Yeah, it's longer. Normally your hair is about this size.
It's about here. My real hair is about here.
Yeah, it's not that long.
About this thing right here.
Yeah, no. You had it away.
If you look at it right now, you'll see where my natural hair stops.
Yeah, here.
No, boo. We can feel my natural hair right here. So.
No, it's the end of it.
But if it's the end of it, it's still mine.
No, but look, when you see that here the texture change. And it's the same things here. Here the texture change. Oh my god, it's hard. Always hard with you. You can't make things simple. When it's simple, you have to make it hard. Let it simple. Just say yes, husband. Yes, husband. That's simple.
I must say yes to everything.
Yes.
Sorry that I'm not a yes wife. So if you want a yes wife, go find a yes wife.
Simple.
Go and find a yes wife because I'm not one.
Yes, wife.com.
Okay, it's time to end this vlog right now. Go ahead and end the vlog for us, please, husband. Take it away. You guys, the kids are in bed. Sarah's in bed. Tala is in bed.
Continue. I need some.
End the vlog now.
No, I was listening to you. You said the kids are in bed. Sarah is in bed because she said the kids are in bed, but I don't know why she have to add Sarah is in bed. You already said it. We are not in bed. We're just gonna relax. We had a good day. Had a good weekend. I mean, simple, make it easy, relaxing, and in the same time do what you have to do. So we make done the things that we have to do, and yeah, we still have a little look up things to do, but basically it's finished. We are satisfied. We can start a new week.
I'm ready.
With a good spirit. So
yeah,
if you like this video, give a
thumbs up.
Don't forget to
comment, subscribe, catch up and keep up. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Troublemaker.